This is Vietnamese-style chicken tinga, shredded boiled chicken in a smoky tomato fish sauce blend. Makes 4 servings and takes 45 minutes to prepare. 2 cups of boneless skinless chicken breast, ready to be boiled and shredded. 1 cup of thinly sliced yellow onion. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce for that authentic umami. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika to mimic tinga smoke notes. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1 cup of chicken broth to braise the sauce. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1 bay leaf. Juice of 1 lime to brighten the flavors. Fresh cilantro for garnish. For baguette halves or steamed rice for serving. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place 2 cups of chicken breast in a medium pot and cover with cold water until 1 inch above the chicken. Add 1 bay leaf and bring to a gentle boil. Reduce heat to maintain a gentle simmer and cook the chicken for 15 minutes until the meat is opaque and cooked through or reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the chicken to a plate and reserve 1 cup of the cooking liquid. Shred the chicken using 2 forks until you have about 2 cups of shredded meat. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a wide sauté pan over medium heat until shimmering. Add 1 cup of thinly sliced yellow onion and sauté for 5 minutes until soft and translucent. Stir in 3 cloves of minced garlic and cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Stir and cook for 1 minute to slightly caramelize the paste. Pour in 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 cup of reserved chicken broth, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Stir to combine. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer and cook for 3 minutes to meld the flavors. Add the shredded chicken to the pan and stir to coat evenly. Simmer for 5 minutes so the chicken absorbs the sauce. Taste and adjust seasoning, adding up to 1 additional tablespoon of soy sauce or 1 tablespoon of fish sauce if needed. Stir in the juice of 1 lime and remove from heat. Plate the tinga in a shallow bowl or fill baguette halves. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve immediately. Last step, enjoy your meal and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more recipes. This Vietnamese-style chicken tinga is ready. 4 servings, 45 minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified of new videos.